Welcome to our tutorial on managing salary additions and revisions in the greytHR. Regularly adjusting salary structures is crucial for any organization to stay competitive, retain top talent, and handle changes such as market conditions, promotions, or increased responsibilities. Today, we will walk you through the steps to add and update an employee's salary, ensuring your team is rewarded appropriately and promptly. To begin, navigate to Payroll Inputs, and Salary page to view or modify the salary structure of your employees. When a new employee joins, it's essential to add their salary structure promptly. Here's how you do it. On the Salary page, first, select the payroll month. Payroll month is the month you choose to process the salary. Search for the employee whose salary you want to add or revise. Click Add Salary. Based on your organization's salary structure configuration, you can view different components. Fill in the details and individual salary items as necessary. Select the effective from date on the calendar. The effective from date is the employee joining date, or it can be the revised salary date. This is also used to enable the system to compute any arrears that need to be paid. Then choose the payout month, which is the month on which your organization is making the revised salary payout to the employee. Enter any remarks for the employee and confidential notes for admin purposes. Once all details are filled, click Save. While processing the payroll, you will come across a few one-time inputs where you can modify salary components. For example, search for a salary component such as a bonus and click on the edit icon to modify details. You can add a row by clicking here. Enter the details and click on Save. Click on Process Payroll to initiate the calculations and to make changes effective. Income tax will be automatically calculated by the system based on the salary and declarations. Click on this icon to override the value. You can also view the history of a component by clicking here. And change the number of LOP days by clicking on the icon. Click on Save. Click on Process Payroll to initiate the calculations and make the changes effective. Then click on Preview Payslip to view the employee's payslip. By following these steps, you can ensure your organization adapts swiftly to changes and maintains a motivated workforce. Already a greytHR user, discover this feature now. New around here? Click on the link in the description and sign up for a free demo and see how greytHR can streamline your HR processes. And for more insightful tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.